Halo para jagoan. Di video kali ini saya akan membagikan percakapan pendek bahasa Inggris yang sering diucapkan di kehidupan sehari-hari. Simak videonya sampai habis, jangan lupa like dan subscribe. Apa yang kamu katakan?
What did you say? What did you say?
Bisa diulangi lagi?
Could you say that again? Could you say that again?
Tolong jangan ganggu.
Don't disturb please. Don't disturb please.
Apakah kamu sibuk saat ini?
Are you busy at the moment? Are you busy at the moment?
Saya sangat sibuk.
I'm very busy. I'm very busy.
Lama tidak bertemu.
Long time no see. Long time no see.
Sampai ketemu lagi.
See you again. See you again.
Apa pekerjaan Anda?
What kind of work do you do? What kind of work do you do?
Saya pekerja kantoran.
I'm an office worker. I'm an office worker.
Apakah kamu mengerti?
Do you understand? Do you understand?
Saya mengerti.
I understand. I understand.
Saya tidak mengerti.
I don't understand. I don't understand.
Biar saya lihat.
Let me see. Let me see.
Ngomong-ngomong.
By the way. By the way.
Maaf saya terlambat.
I'm sorry I'm late. I'm sorry I'm late.
Tidak apa-apa.
It's okay, never mind. It's okay, never mind.
Terima kasih sudah menunggu.
Thank you for waiting. Thank you for waiting.
Bisakah kamu membantu saya?
Can you help me? Can you help me?
Dengan senang hati.
With pleasure. With pleasure.
Apa pendapatmu?
What do you think? What do you think?
Saya juga berpikir begitu.
I think so, too. I think so, too.
Saya setuju.
I agree. I agree.
Tepat sekali.
That's right. That's right.
Saya khawatir.
I am worried. I am worried.
Hal itu membuat saya marah.
It makes me angry. It makes me angry.
Saya tidak bisa mendengarmu dengan jelas.
I cannot hear you clearly. I cannot hear you clearly.
Apa tujuan kunjungan Anda?
What is the purpose of your visit? What is the purpose of your visit?
Saya di sini untuk jalan-jalan.
I am here for sightseeing. I am here for sightseeing.
Bolehkah saya meminjamnya?
May I borrow it? May I borrow it?
Tentu saja.
Of course. Of course.
Hari apa sekarang?
What day is it today? What day is it today?
Sekarang hari Sabtu.
Today is Saturday. Today is Saturday.
Jangan malas.
Don't be lazy. Don't be lazy.
Ku mohon hati-hati.
Please be careful. Please be careful.
Bagaimana kabarmu?
How are you? How are you?
Saya baik-baik saja.
I'm fine. I'm fine.
Jangan lupa.
Don't forget. Don't forget.
Tidak ada kata menyerah.
No saying die. No saying die.
Biasa aja.
Just so-so. Just so-so.